Hello friends, today we are gonna build a Lego City Police car out of Lego. So the number is right over here and this is how the Lego car will be. So let's get started. First things first, we take one of these and put two of these right over here and here like this. Then we take two of these and put one. Then we put two of these right over here. Then we take two of these and put one over here and another one over here. Then we take one of these and two of these. We put two of these right over here and there, and one of these and one right over here on top of them. Then we take one of this and one of this, put it right over here and the other one above it like this. Then we take one of these black and put it right over here, and a grey, put it right over here. Then we take two of these and put them like this on their sides. The back should be like this and the other one like the same. Then we take one of these blacks and put it here, and one of these yellows and put it there, and then we take one of these and put it right on top of both of them like this. Then we take one of these and put it right over here, and then one of these, put it right over here. Then we take one steering wheel and put it right on the front. Then we take one of these and one of these. Then we joint this one right inside like this, and then we make two more and three more. Then we joint all of the four right here, here, here and here, and the steering wheel right over here. Then we take two of these and put it right over here and here. Then we take one of these shirt and one of these pant, join them together and take an joint it together, and then a hair, and then we place the policeman like this and joint it to the car right over here. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Bye bye.